guys! Welcome to my vlog and I am with Ate Fernanda. So now, can you tell us about yourself, Ate Fernanda?
Yun. Hello everyone, I'm Maria Fernanda Pitaka and I graduated at Pangasinan State University as Bachelor of Arts in Economics. And I'm currently working at the Royal Accounting Office as a liaison officer or bookkeeper. And sometimes when I don't have work, I go to church and we have also community here in our place. Yes, meron po kaming Bible study and sometimes I help in doing the household chores in our house.
So Ate Fernanda, what do you think is the greatest challenge women face today?
So I think the greatest challenges as a woman face today is being students, graduates, and being employed, because we all know that pressure is everywhere, and I believe that no one can escape that.
So Ate Fernanda, have you ever experienced being discriminated?
Yes, I was the one discriminated experience ko yan. Especially when I'm studying, because being a woman, sometimes they have limited actions. Pag sinabi kasing babae, parang nalilimitahan na, parang hindi mo to kaya, kasi mostly pag sinabing lalaki, mas strong sila. So yun, parang nadi-discriminate ka doon. Instead na magawa mo yung part na yun, they limited you because you are a woman.
Wow! Nakaka-amaze ka naman, Ate. What achievements are you most proud for?
So, one of my achievements that na-achieve ko na is graduate ako as a college student. And also, nagkaroon na ako ng school. And masasabi ko na one of my achievements because not every one student nakiklaim yung makagraduate sa college, kasi yun nga, a lack of financial problem. And so, I'm thank God because being student, na-claim ko yung achieve na yun as a graduate.
Oo naman. So, about sa struggles din po, what keep you going din po?
So, I have many challenges na encounter ko, especially bilang babae, bilang anak, bilang student, bilang employed. So, yun, struggles is everywhere, and the one struggles that I always encountered is being of pressure in life. Kasi yun nga, struggle ko yun kasi hindi maiwasan, kasi may mga time na gusto kong magpahinga, pero yun nga, bilang sang ate, bilang sang anak, nakaka-pressure kasi yun nga, kailangan mong mag-work to provide their needs, and yun, struggle ko talaga hanggang ngayon.
Okay, so the last but not the least, Ate Fernanda, sa mga women po, ano po yung mga hopes ninyo in the future na mangyayari sa kanila, or mga positive or negative thoughts po?
Siguro society natin, nilook forward ko na yung mga kababaihan is magkaroon ng we call this action, or they get opportunity to speak, to na ilaban yung pagiging woman nila sa society, na pag sinabing woman is bababa lang or hindi nila kaya. And yun yung look forward ko, na yun, nagkaroon ng opportunity na yung mga kababaihan is yun, to speak, magkaroon sila ng opportunity or power. And so yun, kasi talamak sa mga balita, diba, maraming kababaihan na nangyayari is nare-rape ganun. So nilook forward ko din na magkaroon din ng what we call this ng power or kakayahan na ipaglaban, idepensahan ang kanilang sarili over sa mga crime or mga what we call this problem or kapahamakan sa kinaharap.
She taught me that we should be strong and resilient no matter what challenges we face. Most importantly, she showed me that we should never let anyone underestimate us.
Hindi ka lang basta babae.